What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. Today we're going to show you how to wash the motorcycle Apes on Wheels way.
We're not saying it's the best way of washing your motorcycle. This is how we do it, and we've been doing it since ages like that. So no pressure washer, you don't want to use that definitely, because you're gonna soak all your electronics with the water, and that's not good. We're gonna use normal hose water, buckets, and a little bit of foam.
That's it, and I think if you need to get that stuff, as you see, it's just normal garden hose with a little tip on top on the end. That's it. Let's carry on.
Stay tuned and enjoy.
But I will never be a victim. So bring me around, take me down. You won't break me, I'm too strong. You're saying it wrong, I'll play alone. But I will never be a victim.
Guys, good way to start off is with a bit of plastic cover on your ignition barrel. Just take a bit of tape as well, because you do not want any water get through your ignition barrel. There you go. If you have anything, better to cover it, and we can do exactly the same stuff on the exhaust. Just on the tip, so you have no water coming through. There we go, simple as that, and as you see, no water coming through.
Just rinse your motorbike with the water. Be quite generous with it. Try to not get it on any like crucial electronic parts and stuff like that. But good salt. It's gonna remove all the like bigger dust particles. A little bit on the wheels. Don't worry about the chain. We're gonna take care of it.
Cutting slow and I can't move.
Wash the inside of your tank as well now.
That's it. So, as you see, we've got a little glove specially made for washing your stuff. Basically just soapy water, or if you have any good chemicals, you can use that as well. And you just go from top to the bottom by hand. All the curves and everything, make sure you get inside. And as Bart said, don't forget about the tank, of course. That's the main thing. Get a saddle as well. Like you see in this bike, unfortunately, a lot of dirt coming through. Always be careful when you do clogs and stuff like that, because you do not want any water to go through your electronics, because you want to use your bike, not just keep it in the garage and dry it out afterwards. See, mirrors, very important stuff, of course. Headlights. All the fairings. As you see on Bart's GS6R, it's quite hard to keep it clean all the time because it's a lot of white elements. You get through every single piece. An important thing, make sure your bike is not hot, because you might burn your glove and afterwards it's going to be painful.
Okay guys, so the next step, easy as it goes, just rinse the foam out and we're good to go.
I'm stuck in limbo. Oh, where do I go?
So the last step, which we always do, as Bart said in the beginning, is Apes on Wheels way. So it's not every single way, but that's how we do it. After washing up the whole bike, we do the wheels in the end. So basically what we do, we rinse them through, and again, a lovely white rim. Very easy to keep it clean. As you see, you do it from the both sides. And we do have chemical called Clean Rim. It's really easy to use it. Basically just spray it on. Do it from both sides because swing arm on the other side is, hello, it's really hard to get through. Do the same stuff on front wheel. Oh, nearly finished. I think we need to get another one. And you just leave it for about 45 seconds, and after that make sure you take a little brush or anything like that, take all the residue out and rinse it.
So yeah, the next step after you sprayed all your rims, unfortunately, is brush it. So it's not an easy way of doing it. You just get your bike, then go for it. Obviously, with my white rims, I'm never trying to scratch it too much. You don't want to ruin the paint job on it. I think it goes for every single rim. Exactly the same way. Just trying to remove all the dirt off, especially on the back wheel, because you get all the old chain oil sticking to it. And as you can see on my white rims, it shows quite badly. If you can't reach all your parts of the wheel, don't sweat it. Just move the bike. Alright, so the next thing, you want to rinse the rim cleaner as soon as you're done with it, because if it starts drying up, you're gonna have to brush it one more time.
All alone and so confused. My eyes are closed, still the world's still bright. I'm halfway there, but I see no light. And I'm running away. From my mind every day. My feet.
So the next thing we do, and it's not mandatory, but it helps a lot, is to switch on your bike when the water drains off a little bit, because the vibration of the engine and the heat of it helps you get rid of the water.
So now we've got all the water residue out of the bike. Take a cloth, make sure you wipe off everything because you don't want to have any water marks on the bike. When you've done everything, we will show you the next step.
So the next step we would like to do is put some kind of wax on your motorcycle. It prevents all the dust from the road sticking into your freshly painted bike.
Yeah, I'm stuck in limbo. Caught in a wave and I can't get out. Trying to talk, but
Step which we always do is to lube your chain. Basically, first of all, you have to clean it up. After that, you lube it. Never do it the other way around because you get all the sand, all the dust from the road on your chain. You're just gonna destroy it quite easily, and it's quite expensive job to do. What we do, very easy. Take a bit of card. We use paraffin. That's only the bottle, but we use paraffin because it's one of the best choices on the market, I would say, to clean up everything of your chain. To protect your wheel, because you've just cleaned up everything, so obviously you don't want to ruin the job. Because we are Apes on Wheels, of course, we have to forget something, and we didn't take our stand. That would be the easiest way, just to roll on the wheel and do it properly. But now we're gonna do it like our dads 20 years ago. We're just gonna move the bike all the way around. Again, Apes on Wheels way. You remember that, guys, because we don't want to be told off for not doing something properly. As we said, that's how we do it. We've been running bikes for years and nothing has gone wrong with them. So next step, we're using the cloth and just take all the stuff out from the chain. You can see straight away it is a lot of dirt on there. Just keep moving your cloth. There we go. If you have a look at it, every single thing comes off nicely, nice and clean chain. That's how you want to have it. Last step, again, we take a little dog cart and we've got chain loop factory line from Motul again. Really good for racing and road, so that's what we do. Sometimes we do track race, sometimes we do just road riding. So one of the best chain loops on the market. Again, our way, so don't take my word for it. But what you do, put it behind and just go through the whole chain. Just like that. If we had a stand, we could do it straight away in one move, but now we have to keep pushing it forward and backwards, so we will do it now. Okay guys, job done. As you see, nice and shiny as usual after our little wash-ups and everything. Comment down below, what do you think about our method? If it's good, if it's not. If you have any tips for us as well, always welcome.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. There will be more content coming up, like Tom said before, track days, every day today, biker's life. And yeah, bike is ready. And we're gonna have to do it probably another week later.
My goodness, first of all, I need a little break after that, but more videos coming soon. Take care.
Cheers.
I'm stuck in limbo.